The SprayMagic Airbrush Kit SM-55PSI is a comprehensive all-in-one solution for both beginners and professionals, equipped with everything you need for a seamless airbrushing experience. This kit features a high-performance industrial-grade compressor that offers adjustable pressure from 25 to 55 pounds per square inch, ensuring precision control for various projects. The dual-action airbrush gun is designed with a 0.3 mm nozzle and an ergonomic grip, providing detailed artwork capabilities from hair-thin lines to broader coverage. With its versatile applications, the SprayMagic Airbrush Kit is perfect for creative endeavors such as scale model painting, custom t-shirt design, cake decorating, and more. The airbrush's strict quality control and the inclusion of a 12-month warranty, coupled with 24/7 technical support, ensure customer satisfaction and peace of mind. Quiet operation at less than 50 decibels and a continuous runtime of up to 30 minutes make this airbrush kit ideal for large projects without interruption.